When working with copper or aluminum tubing, having the right tools can make all the difference in ensuring precise, clean cuts without the hassle. Whether you're tackling plumbing or HVAC, you need a cutter that is both efficient and easy to use. Traditional tubing cutters can be bulky, hard to maneuver, or take too much time. But what if you could make perfect cuts quickly and with minimal effort? Introducing the superior tools QuickCut Tubing Cutters, the essential tools for clean, precise cuts. Available in two models, the 1/2 inch and the 3/4 inch. Both feature a compact design that fits perfectly in tight spaces. Their one-handed operation ensures ease of use, allowing you to simply clip onto the tube and rotate to make smooth, burr-free cuts. Constructed with durable stainless steel rollers and a heat-treated cutter wheel, these tools are built for long-lasting performance. Ideal for professionals and DIYers, the QuickCut Tubing Cutters are your go-to solution for accurate tubing cuts every time.